What's going on, everyone? So what we're going to be looking at here is the NASDAQ 100. We're taking a look at the triple Qs and starting off with the daily time frame. Now, today is the first kind of significant red day where we kind of lost and are trading below a level of supply. It's something to take note of. It doesn't necessarily mean that the triple Qs are going to be trading back down at 300. We've had a phenomenal run. We have to respect, the bulls have been in full control essentially on mega cap and technology stocks essentially all year. And this is the first pullback into rising daily support off the 10-day moving average in just about 10 days. So if I'm looking at the chart now, we can go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days was the last time that we attempted to retest this 10-day moving average. And you can see the last time that we tested the 10-day moving average, we made a significant push higher. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that the market is going to test today and continue to make a new high, although it could. One thing that is for certain, what we need to do before we can get extremely bullish again on stocks is we're going to need to reclaim this 5-day moving average over 366. A little bit of a two-sided trade, because if this is just a rest and a little bit of a pause for a continuation to the long side, then what we're going to need to see have happen is the 10-day moving average stand here. We're going to need to have it hold. Now, the other side of this trade is that we do continue the pullback into lower supports at around 353, 354. That would be our 20-day moving average on a daily time frame. I think this move here would be a lot stronger of a move for buyers essentially to get in and kind of ramp the price up to make a new high. Now, I do sit on the side of things where I think that the absolute bottom of the market is in. I don't think that we're going to make a new low, but again, it's just my opinion, and opinions, are like assholes, right? Everyone's got one. So with that kind of being said, the trade that I'll be looking for going into tomorrow and the rest of the week is going to be through today's lows. That's going to be losing this 10-day moving average. That price is sitting at around 361. Below 361, we could see that pull back into the 350s. I would look for that move. I would take that move, and I would take your profits into this 20-day moving average. If we bounce, we're going to need to look at a smaller time frame and try to start to get above some of these, kind of all of this congestion here. I would look for a move over 367 that has potential into 369, if not 370. With that being said, if you're an aggressive scalper and you're looking to just take those scalp plays, you potentially could have a long over 363 into a price between 363.97 and 364.50. That would be your move here. You can see on our 1 hour time frame this morning in the pre-market, we pulled in the first hour of the candle, second hour of the candle, and third hour of the candle. We pulled into our 200-day moving average. Now, briefly for about an hour and a half time here, we did lose this 200-day moving average, and you can see now we're kind of either bear flagging down here for another leg lower into those lower 350s, or we're looking to try to push higher for a potential retest of our 10-day moving average on a 1 hour time frame. And again, if you would like to get long, we're going to need to see an hour candle take out a previous hour candle's high with room to run here. This would be your best potential setup, is over 363 into that 364 range. So you got maybe a 50 cents to $1 worth of room there. That's what I would be looking at. If we just kind of zoom out a little bit here, when we look at the weekly chart, this weekly chart as of last week broke through this top channel here, put in a high of 372, and this week now is pulling back. If we continue to pull back into our rising weekly support, we would be looking for that pullback into 357. So if you are holding longs and you do have a long portfolio and you're not looking to kind of sell, for profits that we've had, you want to hedge your position. Maybe the 360s to 357s would be a good strike price to kind of have. That way you can kind of hedge those long positions. If the market continues to pull back, you can make money on the way down and then kind of reevaluate and accumulate here for a potential move through that 372. I hope this video helps you guys. If you guys are looking for more information on how you guys can learn how to trade my strategies and trade with my Discord community and the rest of the traders, you guys are looking for one-on-one coaching, whether it comes to strategy building, whether it comes to a trading plan, risk management, or whatever, we can do those one-on-one live private sessions as long as you're a member of evolutiontraders.com. And I will see you guys all on the inside.